Hi, my name is Sumati and I am 25 years old, and this is my first kind of proper YouTube video. And I want to start it by talking about a fear that I've recently conquered. Because when I was planning about it, I was like, I don't know what should I talk about, how should I start it. And while scrolling Instagram, I came across a quote and that said, make sure your life is full of I can't believe I did that instead of I should have done that. So the fear that I've recently conquered is learn how to drive a scooty. I know it's not a big deal for a lot of people, but it is a very big deal for me. So why is it a big deal for me? Because I was afraid of getting into some sort of accident while driving and having another fracture bone in my body. Like few years back I fractured my left elbow and it took me few months for that to heal and couple of years for my arm to come to normal functioning, and it's still not as good as new. Like if you can see my arm, like this is my range of motion. I can't touch my shoulder, I can't fully straighten my arm. Like I have limited range of motion, and it happened because my elbow got fractured and took me 2 years to come to this. So I was like, I can't deal with something like this again. I can't. So I and driving felt like, obviously you see the Indian roads, how people drive, how things are. You will fall, you will meet with some sort of accident, like minor, but you will. So I was like, I can't deal with. So I was like, altogether, I dropped the idea that I will ever be able to learn how to drive a scooty. Well, earlier than that, I did drive. I could drive around my house, no, in the street as well. Not on the main road, but on some streets. But after it, I was like, I am not going to touch it, and I don't want another broken bone in my body. So you might ask, what changed? I've been traveling in autos, so I was kind of tired of that, and my friends are also like, give it a try, at least try. You haven't even tried it. So I was like, okay. So I asked somebody to teach me how to drive, and I did drive on the main road for 2 kilometers, I would say, and then I was surprised. I was like, I can do it, but I was like, I need proper practice and guidance for it. So there is a driving school in my city which teaches scooty. So I signed up for that. It was a 15-day course. I took it, and then after that for a couple of months I practiced on my own. So after 2 months I summed up all the courage that I had to go to drive to my workplace by myself, and surprisingly I was able to without getting into an accident. I couldn't believe that I did it, and I was actually driving a scooty on the main road in the traffic. It still feels surreal to me sometimes while driving. So, how do I feel after conquering this fear? So, it's been 1 month since I've been going to my work by myself, and I have collided with an auto once. Like a minor accident, got a few bruises, but still, like it did not discouraged me. I met with an accident, small few bruises, and it's okay. I will still drive. If I am afraid for my bones, I'll buy some protection gear, but I will drive. And it also brings back a hope from my childhood. Since I was a kid, I was fascinated by bikes, bullets especially. And I used to dream that when I grow up, I will get a bike and I will learn how to drive it. But when all this thing happened a few years back, so I lost hope that I will ever be able to drive a bike. To be able to do this, learning this brings back the hope a little. That I'm like, yes, maybe not now, but maybe couple of years later, when I am more stronger, more skilled, a little more experience in driving, I might be able to learn how to drive a bike and fulfill my childhood dream of doing it. Because it's like it used to be cool for me. I was like, this is cool, and it still feels cool when I see girls driving bike on Instagram. I see the reels. I'm like, you are the coolest, no, the definition of cool. So yeah, it feels great and it feels surreal to be able to do things that once I thought I won't be able. So yeah, for me this year has been like this, where I've done things which I was like I am not sure if I can do it or I will be able to do it, or were like felt it too scary that like scared the shit out of me. But yeah, but now I'm like, yeah, those things were important. They were something that were I needed in my life. And the thing that I've realized is my timeline is different, and to me it will take more time than other people to do those things and conquer my fears. So I would say, like, just stop comparing yourself with others and just understand how you work, how you process things, how much it takes for you to deal with things and actually become habitual of something. Because I think I've learned this, that for me it will take 2 to 3 months of time to be okay with something new in my life. I'm not good with change, and I'm not someone who is very adaptable to change, so it takes me longer time than other people to adjust to the changes in my life. Sure, this is the, I think, my learning of this year till now, and I hope to put these things into other areas of my life as well, and have a little patience with myself and be patient with life and other things, that you will get things done, but it will just take a little more time. So yeah, this was my first video, and I hope to make more videos. So about this, I can also say in the future that I can't believe I did that.